It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I get in here in this van and head onto the truck. And sometimes I hate these mornings, 2 o'clock in the morning leaving, but sometimes you got to do it. Let's get it. So we have made it out here at Crimson Truck Pride 2. And we got to get out here and check everything, check our oil, water, and everything, make sure everything's good. So we're going to do that and we'll get back with y'all. Roll Tide, baby. Okay, family, so what we got, the guy with the big old machine, but what we got is a 45,000 pound coil. We already done put 7 chains on here and put our X strap, and we're taking this to Loudon, Tennessee again, which we already took one time. So let's get ready to ride. Hopefully we can get this off today. We ain't sure, but we're gonna try. If not, we'll get it off tomorrow. Let's roll. So we have arrived here in Loudon, Tennessee. So let's go ahead and get this thing untarred, take our paperwork in. We'll see y'all in a bit. So we done got empty now, got our coil off, and now we get ready to head somewhere in Tennessee. We about to run out of hours, but we won't be able to load it till tomorrow. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. So yesterday I got this load of structural steel that I didn't get to, it was raining so hard so I didn't even get to film it. But I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straps and 1 chain about halfway down here to hold it. So anyway, put that 1 chain on there, it was good. Took my time getting down here. All this rain and wind and stuff. So now I got 1 truck behind me and about 3 trucks in front of me. So hopefully we'll get this unloaded pretty soon. Then we got to head to Columbus, Mississippi, pick up one of them big coils and take it to Indiana. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Man, look at my truck, it's dirty. I just washed this thing off the other day and it got back dirty. Man. So yesterday we loaded this coil, 47,000 pounds. I forgot to record right here. And we got 6 chains on it and got the X strap. But I pulled up in here in the doggone lug and can't crank. Been here about 3 hours And what's going on, the starter in there, the starter I believe is gone. And I thought it was a relay. So we basically got to call record service come pull us, jump start it, and end up trying to get this load off for tomorrow. And we're just going to deadhead all the way back home from Indiana because I'm not going to get no load and ain't going to be able to crank. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. So we made it over here to Canton, Mississippi with this load delivery. And of course, y'all know it starts with coffee. And this is not community coffee. This is Pilot coffee this morning. Woo, real good coffee. So anyway, we're just sitting here waiting for them to come on. And hopefully we'll get in here and get unloaded. So we'll talk to y'all in a little bit.